Hello SEO pros, in this tutorial we shall learn what are the top search engines. The first one is Google. Google has up to 70% global market share and up to 85% mobile traffic. The second one is Bing. Bing has up to 13.31% global market share and up to 33% US searches. And then the next one is Baidu. Baidu is basically a Chinese search engine. It has up to 12.53% global search market. And then comes Yahoo. Yahoo has up to 2.11% market share and up to 600 million mobile users and up to 1 billion total users. And then comes Yandex. Yandex is basically a Russian search engine. It has 1.19% market share. And then comes DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is basically a privacy search engine. It was launched to protect your privacy and it has a global market share of 0.43%. I hope you learned a lot of new stuff from this video. Kindly subscribe if you still haven't. Have a nice day.